Hello, my Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October the 24th, 2020. This last Sudoku I will do is a tectonic with 3 stars, and this will be a number. Yes, it's 1800. I've already have done, yes. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means those two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. We have here a dual box. The dual box is always 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 1 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be there. Triple box. Triple box 1, 2, or 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 there. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Wait. Yes, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me think. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Those 2 boxes left in this area are the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them for you, 4 and the 5. 2 boxes left in this triple box, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. The 3. No. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So those 2 boxes are left for the 2. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4 and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yes. Alright. 2, 3. This box, I think this should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box, I think this should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left, should be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. 4 and the 5. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 box left should be the 5. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 here, so the 1 and 2 goes in these 2 boxes. The others should be 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1 or 2. And also cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1, 2, 3 cannot be a 5. So this should be a 4. And then we have a 4 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes could be a 4. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I have here 4 or 5. If I place the 5 here, then those 4 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. And I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 5, so this should be a 4. And this should be a 5. This box, I think this should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 1. Alright. Yeah. 2, 3. Alright. Think logical. 1, 2, 3, or 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 4. So 3 or 5. 3, 5. The 2 should be there. Alright. How about this box? I think this should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 3 boxes left. 4 to 5. 4 to 5. 4 to 5. 4 to 5. 4 2 4 2 2 5 2 5 4 5 3 5 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Yeah. And now, that's the choice. Which number shall I pick? 4 4 2 2 5 5. We have a 5 5 here. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 2 and a 5, alright. So this is a 3. 4 2 5 4 2 2 5. Alright, 2 5. So we have a 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be the 1. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4, because we have a 4 here. So this should be a 4, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. You need the difficult part is the last part. Sudoku with 3 stars. Thumbs up if you like this, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Below there is also a link. If you like tectonics, there's a playlist with all the tectonics so you can solve them if you like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, only if you like, only if you want. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudoku to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend and see you on a Monday. Bye bye for now.